Have you experienced a deja vu moment? You're in a situation and you're like, wait a second, I've been here before. Wait a second, they just said something and I knew they were gonna say this. It's like you're reliving something. What does that mean? That means that your third eye is open. And it's a beautiful thing. Because when your third eye is open, it's perceiving everything beyond just what your naked eye can see. When your third eye is open, you're seeing and feeling and experiencing the past, the present, the future, all at the same time. It can also lead to psychic abilities. You're able to predict things before they happen, and you're able to know things before they happen, or things that people don't even know. Deja vu is one of them. If you're experiencing that, know that you're probably going through an activation of some sort, a ascension of some sort, to where you're being elevated to a place where your third eye is finally opening up even more, and you're sensing things that you never sensed before, and you're now on that next level. So get excited, because only good things happen from here.